welcome back to Cruising as Crew. We're in the Dominican Republic and I've never been here before, so I'm very excited. And we have a crew tour, which is basically go-karting around the Dominican Republic, and then I think we're going to go and try some coffee and maybe go to the beach. So that is what we are doing today. But first we have drill. So I'm currently unplaiting my hair so it's nice and curly for today's activities. I mean, realistically I probably should have left it in plaits because it's going to be quite a active day. It's too late now. I'm just waiting for drill and then we'll go and get some food, and then we're going to go to the meeting point for this crew tour.
4 to 3354.
First look at the Dominican.
Baby, sail away. Take a break or stay.
For cultural purposes only. Crew muster.
Print a magazine. Build a house of trees. Don't be
Alright, so I've just come back. I've put my life jacket back, got my bag, and now I'm going to go to the meeting point where we are going to leave in a little bit.
that you leave one day. We can watch the view.
Hello.
My name is William, and I can be your tour guide.
Hello,
I'm
William.
the person in charge. You guys coming back a little bit different. Because when you're coming back, you look like a little bit disgusting. William is my name, but today you have to call me Papi.
Happy.
Yeah, I'm gonna be your daddy. See, mommy. You see that clothes? If you want to see the clothes like this, you have to take a picture now. Because when you're coming back, nothing is the same.
Cause what we're making will last forever. No lies, no faking. We're true like rain, like the wind. No failing.
You have to go in a line, one behind the other. Because I'm driving on the countryside. In the countryside, too many animals, people walk around. The thing is, when you're running over the buggy, all the muddy, all the cow shit, all everything comes to your face.
Why is he looking at me?
Because I like it. I like seeing your face when I see it. I love saying cow shit because I see your face change like this.
Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the moon.
Look like an absolute dick.
With you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
Alright, so we've got
Coffee is at the table.
coffee is at the table. Amazing. Thank you so much. I'll see you.
Toilets outside. Record.
Oh, a shop. We have this little store. Which bracelet? So you got peach, orange. They're very cute. Didn't really like the coffee. But that's not to say it's bad, that's just saying I'm not a big fan of black coffee, but the others here seem to love it, so. Alright, we're getting back in the cars and we're off again. Carl, are you muddy yet?
A little bit.
See?
The passengers get muddy.
You've got a bit on your legs? Yeah. Okay. I've got a bit on my arm, it's not too bad though. Here we are! Oh, off we go!
Shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young.
Yes, you win. You all absolutely.
125 again. Just you play.
That's the highlight.
120 for everyone.
30 per car. Whoever wants. Yeah? FYI.
Right, so now we have got to the beach, which I must say looks absolutely idyllic. So now I'm going to wash off in the sea, I think, because I'm absolutely filthy. Yeah, I'm going in. Yeah. You know, it's funny, like I obviously made a video a while back saying that I was feeling lonely and I was like adjusting. But I said in that video as well, like it was only going to last until I like started making friends and doing stuff. And yeah, today I just feel really like part of the team, and obviously everyone who's on the crew tour is so great. And you know, just driving around in the buggies, I'm like, what the hell? Like, as if I get to do this as part of my job. Like, it's just nuts. So yeah, just one of those days where I just feel incredibly grateful and like, this is why I'm here. Okay, we're going back to doing all the kids.
We are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry.
Oh God.
Wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now.
Okay, you're right.
My family, one more picture together. One more picture.
Over here.
I'm the most dirty.
Show me the. Oh my God.
Nada, mami. Straight down there. Shoulder.
Gracias.
Nada, mami. Straight down there.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now.
So, I am in desperate need of a shower. I've got mud all over my face. Well, actually, not all over, so. I had to change my other dress, my red and white one, because I accidentally got purple shampoo in it, so I had to go and quickly throw that in the washing machine as well. I'm going to do my hair and then go up to the galley for some dinner before starting work at 6:30. Cannot forget my name tag. So I've just got back from having food and now I'm just putting my washing away and getting ready for work because I need to be there in 10 minutes. Let's go to work!
Yeah, it's been some time since I felt right. Trying to get it right out of my own head. Come for a ride with me. My mind has been killing me. You're the only one, but it always.
So I've just got back. It is now 11:30. in the evening, which is usual. Like, we close the shops at 11 on a port day, and we usually get out at 11:30ish. So yeah, now I've just been and filled up my water bottle. So I'm gonna get changed and I'm gonna go to bed because I am very, very tired for amazing reasons. Obviously, it's wonderful to be tired because I went on a really great excursion rather than being tired because I've had to work all day. So tired but grateful, you know. I'm gonna get in my pajamas, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll start work at 9:45 in the morning tomorrow because it is a sea day. So yeah,